Good morning, children. Let's continue with the poem, fourth poem of the syllabus, that is Childhood, written by Marcus Nathan. So, in this poem, the poet thinks deeply over the question of his lost childhood. Childhood is a stage of innocence in which the child believes others and loves unconditionally. The poet tried to identify some stages of his life when his thoughts and perceptions of the world changed. The poem describes the first step to maturity or loss of childhood when one is able to think logically and rationally. Forming one's own opinion and not getting influenced by others is a sign of maturity and loss of childhood. The poem also hints at the hypocrisy prevalent in our society, where people pretend to be nice to each other, but in reality they do not like each other. So, beta, we all are living in this scenario. We know the system. People pretend to be smart, and these days children are equally smart. Fine. Generation gap we have seen. They understand everything. When did my childhood go? Was it the day I ceased to be living? Was it the day I realized that hell and heaven couldn't be found in geography and therefore couldn't be? Was that the day? So the poet describes that he doesn't know when did his childhood go. So the poet wonders when he lost his childhood. He reflects that perhaps it was the day when he crossed at the age of 11. So we become, the stages of life. Fine. Childhood, जिसको हम infancy age भी बोलते हैं, then pre-adolescence, then adolescence, then pre-adulthood, then adulthood. These are the changes. We find various changes, physical changes as well as mental changes, our thinking process, thought process changes. So maybe it was the stage when he realized that concept of hell and heaven, when we come to know the good and bad, hell and heaven, about which he had been taught since his childhood, nor didn't exist in reality. Geography textbooks didn't give the location of any such places. When we face realities, we come to know about the people. Fine. We come to know about the kind of behaviors. We come to know about the truth and this fake world, reality and unreality. The poet realizes that he might have lost his childhood when he gained his rational outlook due to getting educated. So when we become logical, we ask many questions. So this is the stage when we think that actual childhood is lost. Second stanza. When did my childhood go? Was it the time I realized that adults were all they seemed to be? They talked of love, preached of love, but they didn't act so lovingly. Was that the day? So in this stanza, the poet reflects that there may be loss of childhood occurred when he was able to see through the hypocrisy of adulthood. These people. So the poet reflects. In this stanza, the poet reflects that maybe the loss of childhood occurred when he was able to see through the hypocrisy of adults. Fine, beta. When we come to know our relatives near and dears, what kind of hypocrisy या झूठ बोल रहे हैं या वो ढोंग कर रहे हैं. These people follow double standard, actually following the preaching different standard of behavior. So they are carrying double faces. Fine. And when we come to know, we recognize such people, it means their childhood is lost. They told the poet to be loving and caring, however, they themselves were argumentative, violent and discourteous. Fine. So they teach the children what they don't practice. Their behavior is far cry from the love they sermonize adult and advocate it so relevantly to the childhood. Says the poet, recognizing broken trust was a major step towards childhood. We come to know when our childhood, when our trust is broken. When did my childhood go? Was it the day I found My mind was really mine to use whichever way I choose, producing thoughts that were not those of others people, but my own, and mine own alone. Was that the day? The poet asks the same question again and again, but with different option. He is trying to guess when he actually lost his childhood. Perhaps it was a day when he realized that his mind couldn't think independently. He could think independently, forming his own opinions and being able to take his own decisions. He gained a sense of individuality which sets him free from his preconceived opinion of others. When beta he come to know his sense of discrimination, he thinks independently. It means the childhood of is lost. His own individual opinions and experiences shape his thoughts now, and realize that this might have been the time when he lost his childhood innocently. Where did my childhood go? It went to some forgotten place that's hidden in an infant face. That's all I know. In this stanza, the poet changes the question. The poet now wonders when had his childhood come. He reflects that they may be that maybe his childhood has gone to an unremembered place. The poet says that childhood can be found in an innocent face of child who doesn't have any pretentious and rationality, who trusts others unconditionally. In other words, a small child is full of innocence, and one can find one's own childhood. So beta, this is an we can say figure of speech, a number of words having the same first consonant sound occur. ठीक है, हेल एंड हैविन आ गया, माई माइंड एलिट्रेशन आ गया, विच एवर वे, दैट्स वर्ड कॉम्बिनेशन यूज इन द पोइम. तो बेटा इसमें जो द फिगर ऑफ स्पीच रेफर्स टू द प्लेसमेंट ऑफ अपोजिंग एंड कंट्रास्ट वगैरह बेटा इसमें आया, जैसे मैंने आपको कहा है कि हेल एंड हैविन आ गया. ठीक है, अदर्स एंड एम्फसाइज डिफरेंट बिटवीन द टू ideas and adds interesting to writing. The figure of speech refers to the practice of running lines. बेटा इसमें पोएट्री में आ रही है, आप देख रहे हो कहीं भी पॉजेज नहीं आ रहे हैं. One to the next using any kind of punctuation. So the example of the second line to the second stanza. तो फ्री वर्स में ये पोएम लिखी गई है. This was for today. We will continue tomorrow. Thank you.